Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have Zoom on your iPad. Now start a meeting or join one you control. Tap Share Content and choose Whiteboard so you can draw and invite collaboration. Once done, pick a pen, eraser, or text tool from the toolbar. These are optimized for Touch and Apple Pencil. Make sure your iPad orientation is set and brightness is comfortable so colors read well. You'll see participant cursors. That lets you monitor edits while keeping control of tools and layers. Now focus on execution. Choose the pen or highlighter and set thickness and color to match your intent. You can switch tools quickly as you go. Use Apple Pencil for fine work, tap with 2 fingers to undo mistakes, and pinch to zoom into details. Once you've added shapes or text, long press to select and use Arrange options to move items between layers so annotations don't block content. Make sure collaborators have edit privileges if you want them to contribute. Finish by saving and sharing. Tap More, then save to photos or export to files as PNG or PDF so you preserve your board. Once saved, share the file or send the whiteboard link to attendees. Confirm edit versus view permissions depending on your goal. If real-time syncing stalls, make sure your network is stable, quit and reopen Zoom, then rejoin. This usually clears session glitches. If problems persist, restart the iPad. That resets system resources and often resolves stubborn syncing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.